Bartlett here. Today, I am going to give you an overview of Brand Blast, which is a new white label tool that we have added into our high level agency. It's also been added into our program. So if you're a member of our program, you've already received a email with access to your free account. Okay. Now, before I dive into Brand Blast and explain to you how awesome this software is, I did want to explain to you basically the different options. Okay, so as a member of our program, you do have a free account with all the features. If you want to white label this, you want to definitely go to Brand Blast and use my affiliate link to do that. Okay, now we are going to be adding some new templates and different things in here. And just to kind of give you an overview of what Brand Blast is, it's an AI tool that allows you to train it about your business, and then you can generate content. Like you can see here, I have a specific product that I promote, and I wanted to do some social media advertisement for that specific product. So you upload images and then it will put it in a nice, cool template. And then you have the content created. Okay, so super cool. You can add all of these different campaigns here. And I'm going to walk you through all of this in just a second. But if you want to create your own Brand Blast account, you can go to myvisionagency.com/brand blast. You can see the link up here. When you click there, you'll see the different options that you have to join. You really want to focus on the agencies because we're all, software resellers. So you want to go to the agency and you can see the different plans here. You have the ability to brand your own dashboard there. You have the ability to check out all of your accounts here, so you have your dashboard inside of there. It does integrate with high level, and you do have a zap that you can use as well. You can add team members as the agency to help you manage your clients, and then it does come with a custom sales page that is actually already set up for you as soon as you add your logo and the page to your plans. But I actually have a snapshot I've created. I've rebuilt this website on high level. So if you do sign up as a white label agency, you will receive my snapshot as well. That will be released on Thursday. And we are going to have Ian Scott, who is the founder of Brand Blast, joining us for our weekly Q&A on Friday. So that's why this week we're talking all about Brand Blast and how you can white label, and not only white label and resell, but actually use this for your own business. Okay. There's also this cool process here to help guide your clients through the onboarding process, because as you can see here, we're basically creating a brand, linking to the social media accounts, and then we can actually click publish and go ahead and create that. There is a tutorial here for it is gray label, so your white label clients can use it as well. You can check out a demo there if you want to, and you'll see the different prices here. If you're a member of our program, you have access to what they call the autopilot. So you do have like unlimited posts. You can connect your social media accounts and create campaigns as well. So it's not this cheaper one here. It is actually this one here. Okay. If you want to white label, you do want to sign up here for the white label plan, or you can have the white label unlimited. Okay. I'm a big fan of unlimited, obviously, because 10 brands, I would already exceed that. Okay. So let's get into the basics here of Brand Bus. Now, some of this I can't show you because I do have real clients in here, but you can see I've been testing this. I've had my community testing this. I've done lots of free trials. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback. So I feel really good about recommending this tool. So you can see here, I basically created a social autopilot campaign here. And you can see that I added the images. This is what I was showing you in the beginning. Once you generate this content, of course, if you wanted to edit, like if I wanted to edit any of the captions here or any of the content here, of course I could do that. But the goal and the point of using this type of tool is to, make it so good that you don't need to edit it, right? So you'll see here that I created this campaign. If I wanted to publish this, all I need to do is click publish, and I created the campaign for Instagram and Facebook. So it's already selecting those. I just click publish and then I'm good to go. Okay. Let me show you now, like from scratch, how you want to create this. And of course, your campaigns are going to be pulled in. Let me show you this first from the brand context. So as soon as you create your account, you want to tell it about your brand. Okay. So you can see I'm building all of this out. I've told it a lot about my brand. If you have a brand guide report from our AI coach, you could upload that as well. And then you could just simply click here and you could do the free form text and just type out what it is, like quick tips about your business, or you could upload a document there. So you want to definitely, the better that you fill this out, the better output you're going to get. And we'll go deeper into this tomorrow. I just kind of wanted to give you an overview today. You also have your brand content there. You have your look and feel here. You have your media that you can upload. And then you also have your products here. And that is based on whatever you put in there and tell it about your individual products. And then you could also store the link. So if I wanted to add the product here, you'd see I just give it a name, a description. I can add the link to that specific product, and then I can upload any images of that product that I want to be able to use in the templates that we're creating. Okay. Now you also see here that you can connect any of these accounts. And if I click manage accounts, you'll see all the different accounts that you can connect to the system and generate content for. So not only can you create images, but you can also create the videos here and then connect them to any of these social media networks. Okay. You also can add teams here. And if you are an agency, you do have the ability to add templates. And this is what I was saying. This is how you want to really make your white label version stand out among like everyone else's. The same way we talk about high level, how you want to add content or you want to add tools on top of your high level account, you can do that here, right? So you can easily add templates to be able to use. And like I said, we will be adding a lot of our Canva templates that we have available in our membership area. Those will be added here eventually for you guys to use. Now you do have the knowledge base here that you can check out, and your clients will have access to this as well, so that you can get all of the resources there. And so let's go back now and let's create a campaign just together. Okay. So let's say I'm going to call this test campaign. And let's say that we want to create let's just say images. Let's do this one and next. And let's say that we want to create this for Facebook and Instagram. We could do Twitter and LinkedIn. Actually, I don't have Pinterest connected, but let's unselect that and next. And then now we want to choose how long and when should we post. Okay, so just for the sake of time, I'm going to say like 1 week. And let's say that we're going to post one per week. But what's cool about this, and this is what makes this different, right, is we're creating the content. It's actually going to create the images and things for us. And then it's also going to allow us to schedule it. Okay, let me go ahead and do 3 posts just so we see a variety. And then we're going to choose those templates. So if you have uploaded your own templates for those in your agency to use, those will be available here. Okay. So for this example, let's just say this one here. And then I want to choose the what type of images should the system use? Do you want to use stock images or my images that you've uploaded? You can do kind of half and half if you want to. Let's just say we'll keep it at half and half. And then what ratio of your images do you want to be the non-product images or the product images? I'm just going to leave it there like that. And then you could also choose to exclude any images in the past 30 days that have already been used. So I'm going to just go ahead and click finish. And you'll see that this does take 5 to 10 minutes, and then it will notify you when it's done. So this is the one that's being generated. But I did create some ahead of time just to give you some ideas. So this is the one I chose for all products. So you can see here, we're talking about the social media planner. Here, we're talking about Hey Levi. You can see if I did want to publish these to these social media networks, I could. And I could also toggle over to see what it's actually going to look like on each platform. Okay. So we have one where I chose all products instead of just one individual products. We also, like I said, could create videos. So you can create your Facebook Reels, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. And you can see here that we have the content. Now, there is no music here, and that's really important because what I would say if you want to add music is you would want to upload these individually. You really can't. Unless you wanted to like, I honestly, I don't see a way that you could do it here, but music is so temperamental when you're trying to kind of repurpose content because the same music that is copyright free that you upload to TikTok may not be usable on Facebook or may not be usable on YouTube. And so these do default to no music. As of right now, I don't know if that will change, but just so that you know how all of that works. And you can see if I wanted to toggle over and see what the TikTok video would look like, I can do that. Now you can choose different video templates and all of that. And again, we're not really having to take all the content and the videos and all of those things and then upload them to another system where we're going to publish. It's creating the content for us. It's also creating the post. And then all we need to do, it's even scheduling it for us. Like we said, 3 times a week. So today is Monday. So it's scheduling it for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay. So all the dates and times are chosen. The content's chosen. All we need to do is tell it what to create and then click publish. Okay, super, super cool. So you can see here, let's look at some stock images. So if we did choose stock images and we didn't want to upload any of our images, you could see what that looks like there. And then, of course, I do have some branded images here as well. Okay. So that's really the gist of Brand Blast. Like I said, if you guys want to check out Brand Blast, go to myvisionagency.com/Brand Blast. Go ahead and create a free trial. Or, like I said, if you're a member of our program, you already received an email with access to our brand of Brand Blast that you can use for your business. I want you to decide as software resellers if this is a solution that works best for you so that you can then be a confident reseller and know what the software is capable of doing. Okay. So thank you all so, so much for joining me. We're going to dive in tomorrow into the actual training of Brand Blast. I'm going to tell you how to get this set up inside of your agency so that you can start reselling all of that. And then, like I said, on Friday, we're going to have Ian here, who is the founder of Brand Blast, and he will be available to answer all of your burning questions that you have after this week's training. So thank you all so, so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality. Bye. Thank you so much for joining us for today's training. If you have any questions, you can join us for open office hours starting right now at bridgetbartlett.com. It's free and open to everyone, so I'll see you there.